We, the students of Vailtech High-Tech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Shakuntala Engineering College, are here to present on the topic Framework of Distributed Application Processing for Smart Mobile Devices. Our team members are Soumya S. and Vaishnavi R. We are guided by Mr. P. Vinod Kumar, Department of Information Technology. The major objective of our project is to integrate smart mobile devices with cloud computing and to distribute files using load rebalancing algorithm. In our proposed system, we are just going to integrate smart mobile devices with cloud computing. Distributed file system is being utilized using load rebalancing algorithm. Here we are just going to measure the performance of each and every node, and we are going to allocate the loads according to them. The main aim of our project is to reduce network traffic while balancing the loads and to minimize the network bandwidth. This is our proposed system. Here we have got client application as well as server application. In client application, we are just going to send and receive data. In our server application, distributed file system and load rebalancing techniques are being done here. Modules. We have two modules, service provider and service consumer. In service provider, authentication, analysis of networks node, distributed file system, load rebalancing. And in service consumer module, authentication, storage service, service utilization. Here we are used front-end Visual Studio 2010 and SQL 2008. This is the server logon module. Once we have logged on, it will just display the available nodes in that particular area. Here there are two nodes, admin PC and the other Vaishu PC. I am just going to select a particular node. I am going to push that node and I am going to get the performance of the particular node. Here the performance of the selected node is being displayed. The next thing is that I am going to do storage system. Here there are two types of storage, default storage as well as customized storage. We are going to select default storage. The next thing is that distributed file system. Once we are going to transfer data, we first need to enable server. The server is being enabled. This is the client side information. Once the logon is over, we just need to browse the file and we need to upload it. It will just specify that the browsed file has been sent to server. In the server side, it has been received successfully. We can just select the particular file and we can distribute it. And we can select the chunk nodes. The next thing is that load rebalance. Once we have did, then we can just start to receive file request. Here it will specify that server is being enabled and waiting to receive file request. So here we can select the file which we have uploaded, and if we click download, it will just specify that it has been initiated to the server, and it has been initiated and the server is being accepted. So it specifies the client ID and the requested file name. Once we click on the send file or thing, it will just display the status of that particular thing, so that the client can receive the file which they have requested and it can download it. So the main aim of our project is to distribute the node uniformly to all the available nodes, and the main aim of our project is to reduce network traffic and to maximize the network bandwidth available to the normal applications. Thank you.